and welcome to another edition of Trends on 3. I'm Donna L., your host. We're going to have a lot of fun this hour. Now, you know I love to talk about health and fitness. Well, there's some ladies that are doing it in the community. They've been all across the world, and I want to know more about it. These ladies are from GirlTrek. Good morning, ladies. How are you all?
Good morning. Fine.
All right. Tell me your names. I know them already, but let the audience know who you are.
My name is Lakeisha Mason, and I'm known as Key in the GirlTrek world.
All right. And?
My name is Monica Maston, and I'm known as Money.
You know what? I'm excited because you all have been trekking everywhere. For those that don't know and they're just watching, tell us a little bit about what GirlTrek is.
GirlTrek is a national nonprofit organization founded 3 years ago. We're based in Washington, D.C., and it's basically walking. We want African-American women and girls to live their healthiest lives simply by walking. So we get out, we walk, we recruit women and children to start on a path of walking every day, get a regimen going so that they are comfortable with it over the long run.
You know, I love talking about this because I'll never forget when I started my weight loss journey, the first thing that I did was walk because I had so much weight on me. I'm like, it's nothing else I can do. And sometimes when I'm tired, it's nothing like getting out there walking. What does GirlTrek mean to you, Monica?
It means just staying healthy and meeting people, getting to help people, inspire them to do their best and to start somewhere, staying healthy and active.
All right, and you've been healthy and active for a long time.
A long time.
All right, so when you all get together, how often is it, or how does the program typically work?
Basically, we start out with women who have, have the quote-unquote couch potato, haven't been doing anything. You want to start off with 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. And you want to work up to where you are pacing yourself. GirlTrek is, when you're trekking, you're actually walking fast. We want to do a 15-minute mile, so that means being able to walk 4 miles in an hour over a period of time. But starting out 5 days, 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Walk where you are. Start by going out your front door in your neighborhood. We do have walks where we get together, but sometimes schedules are conflicting, so you just have to get out and do it when you can.
Okay, how does it feel to be a part of such a big group?
Good.
So you all have a lot of people in the area that are part of GirlTrek. How many in Chattanooga do you think?
In Chattanooga, there's probably about 30 women right now who are actively walking.
Great.
And we post a lot on social media, so that's, word of mouth is basically how we spread it. Family members joining in, church members joining in. So basically about 30 here. Over my whole team, I have about 56 or 57 ladies in 6 different states that are actually on the GirlTrek team for Chattanooga.
Oh,
so
wow.
we kind of spread our love a little bit more.
Okay. So it's funny because I was at River Park, I was doing my job thing, and I saw one of the trekkers, and she looked at me, and I looked at her, and I'm like, hey, yes. It's that camaraderie between women that work out and get out there and do it. And you guys you have that camaraderie.
Yeah, we do. We anytime we see a lady that's out in their superhero blue, that's our color. I mean, that's how we're noticed in the community. We ask ladies when you are walking to either wear your superhero blue shirt, a GirlTrek shirt, put on your pin, your button, and headbands, visors. There's a lot of paraphernalia that we have so that we're recognized in the community.
I love it. So how long have you all been doing this? Because I remember out the blue, I was going through something last year, and I was like, I'm barely walking. And I need some women to come out and support me. And you all came out of nowhere. And I was like, oh, my God, who are the trekkers? Who are they? And I was telling my girls about it. So how long have you all been in the Chattanooga area?
Since 2012, we started. So we've been doing it for 2 of the 3 years that GirlTrek has been, organized or established. And we've really enjoyed it. We've done it for 2 whole years. Coming up, actually, this October makes 2 years.
2 years. All right. And how many different, locations are there? Or how many different programs are there throughout the city?
Well, basically what we do, we try to have a superhero Saturday walk on Saturdays. We do it on Sundays as well. Most of the time on Sundays we walk at Redoubt in the afternoon.
Okay.
Summertime is kind of hot.
Is that off of Bonnie Oak?
Bonnie Oak. Redoubt is the soccer complex across from the Volkswagen facility. And we walk there and we walk downtown, wherever you're comfortable. We want it to be convenient for you, so you don't have an excuse as to, I have to get up, travel, or, use gas or whatever. Wherever you are, walk out of your door and start walking.
All right. I know Lakeisha just got back from being somewhere special with GirlTrek, and I want to hear more about that when we come back in a couple of minutes. So you all keep on trekking, so don't go anywhere. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Saturday morning. This is Donna L., and this is Trends on 3. Good morning. Welcome back to Trends on 3. I'm your host, Donna L. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. We're talking about health, fitness, movement, especially among African Americans. GirlTrek is the name of the program. Lakeisha Mason is here. Monica, what's your last name?
Maston.
Monica Masson is here, and she says she loves GirlTrek. Why does it make you feel so good?
Because, 2 years ago, I lost my mom, and it kind of came right on time for me to start walking, and it just helped me out a whole lot. I love it because I enjoy talking to people about walking and just inspiring them and uplifting them to just kind of walking to stay healthy and stay fit for life. Yeah. And I really enjoy it.
You have so many people. I was asking you earlier, and maybe I didn't explain it right, but you have people in other locations outside of Chattanooga, surrounding areas. Is this all throughout the U.S., the United States?
It is a national organization. There are city captains in about 20 cities.
Okay.
Recently, we just went to a GirlTrek training in Estes Park, Colorado, where all of the ladies who are representatives of each of the cities, we got together, did some training on how to recruit ladies, our strategies, planning, getting together some walks, and what is the best way to get the word out about GirlTrek. And we want 1 million women walking by 2018.
I love 1 million. I love it. Yeah. I love it. That's great. So tell me, you just had a chance to go. Where did you visit?
Estes Park, Colorado.
Okay.
Rocky Mountains.
So tell us about the Rocky Mountains. What did you do?
I got short of breath. But actually, because we have, walked for so long, it was actually a lot easier than I thought. Because
how far did y'all do it?
We walked up 10,000 feet of elevation, and that was a total of 6.2 miles, 3.1 up, 3.1 back
People
down.
don't understand what hiking is like. Hiking is not like just walking a river park or something like that.
It was continuous climb. It was raining, so we do trek. Rain, shine, sleet, or snow, and it is, outside. When you have to get on your treadmill, do that, but we want women to get outside and move.
All right.
Feet to the pavement.
What made who started the organization?
Vanessa Garrison and Tanya Morgan Dixon. They are college friends. Vanessa was the UCLA and Tanya went to USC. So they started it basically from the same thing, seeing their family members unhealthy and, wanting to make a difference in their lives. So they started grassroots from the bottom. They started this organization, and now it's nationwide.
This is so exciting. I love hearing stories about this. I get really excited about it. So what's next for GirlTrek here in Chattanooga?
The very next thing we have coming up is a 9-day prayer trek. It's a challenge for all the churches to get their members involved with GirlTrek. It begins August the 1st. It goes 9 days, and we're praying each day based on the fruits of the Spirit.
Okay.
30 minutes a day of those 9 days, get the women out together walking, even if they have to walk alone. And it's a challenge. They do award the church in the country that has the highest participation, number of ladies walking time, posting pictures. There's a whole kit, that each church, once they register, they'll get that. And it tells them how to gain points for their church. At the end, there's a big hoorah for the winner, and the actual founders will come to the church to visit.
Oh man, this is fun.
Yes.
Sounds like a lot of fun. So you all are getting started. What's the date again?
October the 1st.
October the 1st. And how do you if people want to be a part of GirlTrek, if they want to be a part of your program, and what is the name of your group here? Because you said I said it earlier.
Yeah, Keep On Trekking. That is the name of the team for Chattanooga, and that was the name that we decided, 2 years ago, and it's kind of stuck with us. It really means keep on going, no matter what.
Okay.
And we're GirlTrek.org is the national website, and once you go on there and register, you can just it'll show you where you can click to see where are treks in your area. And it will put you directly into the link of the Chattanooga GirlTrek page on Facebook.
All right. So, Monica was a shy one, as you can see this morning, and we're talking about GirlTrek if you're just turning us on. Tell us a little bit about what is next for you as a team member.
Well, whatever Lakeisha asked.
We knew she was going to get a short answer.
Whatever she asked, and pretty much I'm game for anything because I'm her right hand when it comes to walking. It doesn't matter how long, how far, it doesn't matter. I just love it.
And I want to ask you guys this. What's the age group? Because people, let me be quiet. I was going to tell them how often they should walk. But tell me the age group that you ladies typically have or work with.
Well, it's for healthy black women and girls. So as young as, we have ladies coming out pushing strollers.
Okay.
All the way to our, elderly ladies, 70, years old. So there is no age limit. If you can walk and move, we expect for you to be out there doing it.
All right. Ladies, thank you so much for spending time with me early this Saturday morning.
Thank you.
I just appreciate you. So they can find you at GirlTrek.org and also on Facebook as well. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us on.
All right. We have so much more coming up.